This is the old town of Chiang Mai in Thailand, and what can I say? It's just mind-blowing. You feel like you're part of a small community, but at the same time it's the second biggest city in the country. In Chiang Mai we mainly did two things: exploring the nature and eating food.
This is a coconut.
Many festival mix
Oh, okay.
rice,
Oh, okay, okay.
and sauce, Thai sauce,
Okay. It's very good.
and this tom yum soup, chicken.
Okay. Clear broth soup, so I thought it would be light, but it's a very strong flavor.
So what's the name of this mountain?
Doi Pui. And over there, you see the big one? We call Doi Intanon. Intanon, the highness of Thailand.
On the third day, we went to sanctuary for rescued elephants. It was almost like seeing elephant in the wildlife. We could feed them, we could give them a bath. It's an experience we totally recommend.
I've been waiting for this day for like a month.
Are you there? I never thought I'd see you come back here. Although I've long forgotten your name, familiar feelings, they are not.